Here's my new Brute lawnmower, self-propelled, powered in the front. Got 7.25 foot-pounds of torque, so that means that there's less horsepower, I would imagine. So they picked the 7.25 because it's a bigger number, but it's probably around a 6-horse motor. 190 cc's, Briggs and Stratton motor. I've been happy with it. I've just mowed about an hour with it. I live out in the country and I've got some tall grass in various places that needs mowed. I've ran it for about 30 minutes and then I changed the oil, which I think is a good idea. It's very easy to change the oil in these. You access it from underneath the deck and it fully drains the oil. It takes 18 ounces of fluid. This rubber flap in the back, I'm just not real crazy about. It's okay, but going forward, it's fine. But in reverse, it causes more force to pull it backwards, and it's not as easy to go backwards because of that flap. It's very easy to control the mowing part. There's just a simple belt, and you pull this for the speed. Okay, Luke's going to demonstrate it here for us.
Okay, so if you turn this, if you let go, so the motor's running, pretend it is, so it turns, you push it, keeps going, so if you want to keep mowing, you better keep this all the way.
That's right. Okay, get ready.
Okay.
I'm going to start it, so get behind it. Hold it down. Hey! So he's just pushing it now without the self-propelled part. Hey! Self-propelled, remember? You can use the self-propelled part if you want to. Power part. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. You were just trying it without.
Yeah.
Okay, so get ready.